Hey Mecca Beauty Junkies, my name's Ashley and I'm from Mecca Maxima. Today I'll be showing you my nighttime skincare routine. I'm having a pretty good skin day, but I can feel a few blemishes popping up, so I'm just going to show you how to prevent them. I'm going to be using the Kate Somerville Gentle Daily Wash. This one's really great because it is sulfate free, but it also removes anything that's going to be clogging my skin. I have pretty dry skin, so this one doesn't feel like it's going to strip it at all. I'm just going to wet my face. And I also take it down onto the neck to get any excess foundation or bronzer as well. So I'm just going to rinse off the cleanser now. Everything comes off so easily and it feels so fresh. My skin's now clean, so I'm going to be going in with the Glam Glow Super Mud Mask. I love this one because it tightens up my pores and it also helps with blemishes as well. Then I'll just go in the areas where I'm mainly concerned about. So I usually put it on my nose just because that's where my pores are usually the worst. Just all through there, and then I'll also just dot it on any blemishes I have. You might not want to enter the door in this mask, but trust me, in the end it's going to be worth it. So leave this to dry. You'll know when it's ready when it pretty much goes all white. So that took about 10 minutes. You can really feel it starting to work now. It feels a little bit tight, but when you look up close, you can really see it absorbing all the extra oil in my pores. I'm just going to rub it off with a cloth. And when you do this, it also acts as an exfoliator as well. Next up, I'm going to be using the Dr. Dennis Pill Pad Wipes. There's 2 steps to these pads, so there's step 1 and step 2. Step 1 is an exfoliator, so you really want to get into every nook and cranny until the cloth is dry. So it's tingling a little bit, but that just means it's working. You just need to wait 2 minutes for it to absorb. Going in with step 2 now, which is great for anti-aging and it smooths out the skin as well. I'm going with my treatment lotion now. I really love the Kate Somerville Anti-Bac. This kind of acts like a lotion, but it also works on my blemishes overnight. I'll put it along my cheeks as that's where I usually get the most blemishes, and it's also really great for blackheads as well along the nose. As my final step, I'll be using a night cream. My go-to is the Glam Glow Dream Duo. This one's my absolute favorite. As you can see, it's pretty well loved. So step 1, I'm going to go in with the serum. This one has a really cool pearly glow, so it makes the skin look great instantly. Next, I'm going to follow with the moisturizer. If you have any really bad spots, just go in with the Mario Badescu drying lotion. This is amazing. All you have to do is use a cotton tip, pop it on any of the spots and leave it on overnight. So that's a wrap on my nighttime skincare routine. Let me know how you treat your blemishes in the comments below, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys!